What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. We took last week off, but we are back and the shop is opening today at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, and we have a couple of new slimes that I'm super excited to show you. Also, our buy one get one half off sale is still going on, so even for this restock, you could possibly even get a slime for $5. We have some $10 slimes on there, but when you buy two slimes, you get one for half off, so you could technically get a slime for $5. A whole 8 ounce, that is so crazy. You don't have to do anything special to get the buy one get one half off. All you have to do is add 2 slimes to your cart and then you'll automatically see the discount. Alrighty, now back to the slime. This one here is Chanel number 2. It is my best seller in the shop, #1 bestseller to be exact, because we have a couple of them, but this one is always the one to sell out super fast. It is a thick and glossy slime scented like Bubblicious bubblegum. Very thick and just amazing, super holdable as well. If you don't like sticky slime, this is the perfect one for you because it doesn't melt down after time. It takes a long time for this baby to melt. Another really cool thing we're doing this week is we're giving away a 32-ounce DIY clay slime. This is the pumpkin roll that I stocked last week and you all loved this. It sold out super fast, so this is going to the largest order for free. Baja Blast is my second bestseller. This one is a hybrid slime between an icy and a cloud dough texture. It is a clear based one, so it's super cool. The color is dark once it sits, but once you start to kind of mix it and play with it, the color gets lighter as well and really resembles the color of a Baja Blast Freeze. It is exactly scented like a Baja Blast. It smells super good, like Mountain Dew, but also tropical, like pineapple, blue raspberry. It smells amazing. I love this slime a lot. It's super holdable as well, but it has little baby drizzles and it's just really fun to play with. Mud Mask is my third bestseller and completes the big three. This one here is another hybrid textured slime. So it is a hybrid between a butter slime and a cloud cream, which means it's super creamy and spreadable. I love it a lot. It resembles a dough almost, so it's very thick but awesome. It is holdable. It's scented like green tea lemon and it's just really fun to play with as well. It gets super sizzly and squishy and I love it. Candy corn milk is our first candy corn slime in the fall season this year, and I'm super excited. I love fall slime, so I'm really hyped for this. This one is a school glue thickie, so it's really nice and thick and creamy as well, scented just like candy corn, and of course, colored like a candy corn. It's super nice. This one is going to be $10, so if you get it with the buy one, get one half off deal, it's actually $5. Cookies and Cream Float is a DIY float slime inspired 100% by Fruity Slime. She is the creator of the float slime, I believe, so shout out to her. This one is a DIY version, so it doesn't come prepared. You get to prepare it exactly how you want it, which is kind of cool. So it comes with a 4 ounce of the Cookies and Cream slime, and then it also comes with a 8 ounce of the cola slime. It's a Coca-Cola scented slime, and then also the Cookies and Cream is scented like Oreo cookies and cream ice cream. It smells really good. You get to mix it yourself, and it's just amazing. It comes out to a great texture, and it's kind of Halloween vibe, Halloween themed, so it's really cool. Instead of the chocolate chips, they're actually bat sprinkles. Red Velvet Buttercream is a hybrid slime just like Mud Mask. This one is the exact same texture actually, so it's a mix between a cloud cream and a butter slime. It's really, really nice. This one is scented like Red Velvet Brownies. We actually have stocked this slime before. It's just been a long time, so I'm glad that we brought it back and we updated the scent, like I said, to Red Velvet Brownies, and it is mouth-watering. It's so good. Orange Chili Pop is a jelly slime scented like orange and chili. It smells really, really good, almost like if you get a fresh orange and put some tahini on it. It smells amazing. It comes topped off with red glitter, and it's a beautiful orange color. It is inspired by the orange lollipops that come with chili powder all over them. They're so good, so I had to make a slime based off of that, and I love this so much. Mermaid Sherbet is a new slime to the shop. This one is a true icy texture, so it's a little bit less drizzly than Baja Blast, because Baja Blast is more of a hybrid between a cloud dough. This one is more of a traditional icy, and I love it so much. It smells just like green apple and rainbow sherbet, and it comes swirled with green, blue, and purple colors to represent the mermaid colors, and of course topped off with the mermaid glitter. It's so pretty, and I love it a lot. And last but not least, we have Mickey's Pumpkin Patch. This one here is a pumpkin cupcake scented school glue thickie with some marshmallow foam beads, green and orange to represent the pumpkin, and a bunch of Mickey Mouse sprinkles. It's super cute, very thick, and I love it so much. It has great bubble pops and it smells amazing. Alrighty y'all, well, that was pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. Don't forget to comment down below what your favorite slime is and what you would like to see brought back in the shop. And also don't forget that the shop does open at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, so if you live in a different time zone, then you want to make sure to convert that to Central. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!